Hello and welcome back to the channel. So got another unboxing for you today. Again, we got a package from Iron Shop Provisions, really amazing store out of Louisiana. Highly recommend checking them out. They have so many great things in their store. Also a little background on the store. It is like a welding shop. I believe the owner of the shop is also in the welding business, and so the back of their shop is like a welding shop, and the front of it is like all like workwear, menswear, stuff that's gonna last, durable, you know, stuff that people wear when they're working on crazy, dirty, really intense things like welding. So, but also I love these clothes just because, you know, they're gonna last a long time, they're gonna age incredibly well, and everything is just constructed and made out of like the finest, top-notch materials that are out there, and it's always just a great bang for your buck. So, but that's a little bit about Iron Shop Provisions. And yeah, let's pop this open and see what we got in here. And yeah, really great packaging, always on, you know, whenever you get something from Iron Shop. Really nice wrapping paper, cool little note on the inside there. It says your favorite welding shop. So I will not be doing any welding, but nonetheless, do love the store. So first thing we got here is a really amazing denim shirt. There is something else in the package, and I am gonna save that for the next video. But first things first is an Indigo denim shirt by none other than Iron Heart. So I bought this, first of all, because I don't have a denim shirt in my wardrobe, and I think it's kind of a necessity, right? You know, you gotta have that go-to denim shirt that you're just gonna keep forever. It's gonna fade gracefully and beautifully, and it's just gonna be one of your go-to staples. So didn't currently have one, and figured I needed one. So who better to trust than Iron Heart, of course. So this is a 12-ounce indigo denim shirt, and it's in like a darker indigo wash. I really love dark denim. Not really a huge fan of anything light. So yeah, I like the just vividness and you know, dense color quality of a dark denim. So made in Japan. Of course, all Iron Heart products are made in Japan, and this one I really went with kind of like a classic look when it comes to like the stitching. Iron Heart makes a few others with like stitching the same color as the fabric, so it doesn't really pop out at all, but I kind of wanted that classic look with like gold stitching. You get that here. This is also in the Western cut. Obviously Iron Heart has their Western cut and then their like workwear cut. So Western cut, you're gonna get pockets shaped like that with the angled pocket flaps. You're gonna get the yoke stitching on the front and the back, and also the beautiful snap closures, whereas the workwear shirts just have, you know, normal buttons. So, and I love the snaps because I just feel like those are gonna just be so much more durable in the long run. They're not gonna really pop off, and you're never gonna have to lose one or replace one. So really great there. Yeah, on pretty much all Iron Heart shirts, you're gonna get that really cool label on the inside, made in Japan, and a little bit on how to care for the item. Now, they say this won't shrink up, so I probably won't be washing it a lot, and I'll always be washing it on cold and maybe not ever drying it. So, we'll take a look at the fit and see, if I want to test, the shrinkage at all. But, so this is a size small, and for reference, I am 5'8", about 147 pounds. Really kind of always go with a size small in Iron Heart. And let's pop it on and see what it looks like. So yeah, currently loving the fit, just opened. It feels really good. It's not really crazy stiff. Like I said, it's a 12-ounce denim, and denim can be upwards to 20 ounces, 17 ounces, but this is 12 ounce, so there's not really a huge working period at all on this. And yeah, loving the way this fits. Actually, this is perfect. Currently opened, I would not change a thing about this. It drapes really, really well. Length is really good. Sleeves feel really good. Let's button it up to see how that feels. And yeah, I can just tell buttoned, it's about a perfect fit for me. This is how I like to wear my shirts, not baggy, not oversized, not really long, not a whole lot of crazy room in the body. And yeah, that's great. I don't think I'm ever gonna layer really anything on underneath this. But yeah, buttoned, it feels really, really nice. I think this is like a perfect fit, honestly. So in terms of washing and whatnot, I'm gonna probably wash this very delicately and sparingly, not to really test the theory that it won't shrink, because you never know. But yeah, so far I'm loving this shirt. Really a really great fit. And I'm probably mostly just gonna wear it open like this with like, I don't really do the whole Canadian tuxedo thing. So probably not gonna really wear a denim jean with this unless it's like a black jean. But currently I have a pair of duck canvas pants on, and I think it looks really good like that with the green and the dark indigo. So that's probably typically what I'm gonna wear this with. And yeah, let me take it off, see if I can mention any more details. So one thing you'll also notice is it has the chain stitch run off there, which is a nice little detail if you like that kind of thing. And yeah, I say all around, this is just, your classic denim shirt from Iron Heart. Who better to trust in denim than Iron Heart? 100% cotton there. So really thinking this is an amazing piece so far. The fit is incredibly well. It's the Western cut. I love the Western cuts. You got those snaps on there that are just gonna last forever. And they say this piece is just gonna like fade incredibly well and age incredibly well over time. And yeah, this will probably be the only denim shirt that I have in my wardrobe. Like I said, currently don't have one, and you just kind of gotta have one, right? So I'm really loving this. So let's talk price on the shirt. So like I said, I got this from Iron Shop Provisions. It's currently going for $330. And that is a really standard price for a lot of their denim shirts. Again, you're getting the highest quality denim shirt, like the best construction you can find out there, made in Japan. There is not a loose end on this shirt at all, and there probably never will be. And when you're just gonna have this for the rest of your life, you're not gonna probably really have the urge to buy another denim shirt like this. It's just gonna wear in really, really well, and probably never rip or tear. Like I said, you're never gonna see a loose end on an Iron Heart piece. and this is probably going to be no exception. So, you know, that high price tag I always feel is 100% worth it in the long run. I'm going to get a lot of wear out of this, I can definitely tell. You know, this is going to be great for fall, winter, and spring, maybe even summer, at night, late summer, by like a campfire, you know, when you're out at the bar, or just everyday use. This is an everyday wear piece, right? You can wear this casually every single day, and I'm gonna get a ton of use from this. So, all right guys, that is gonna conclude the video for right now. I'm gonna jump into the next one because we got something else in that package. So always like and follow. Please leave me a comment. Happy to chat about anything that I talk about on this channel. All right guys, have a good one.